you can now simulate a science experiment right from your phone. If you are preparing for WAEC, you already know that practical exams carry about 40 marks, almost as much as theory and objective combined. And the truth is, you can't fully understand practicals without actually performing them. That's why I want to introduce you to Mavinhub Physics Lab. With this app, you can simulate physics experiments, plot graphs, and answer theory questions all from your smartphone. And the best part, it's completely free. Simply search for Mavinhub Physics Lab on Google Play or the Apple App Store and download it. Once you open the app, you'll see two main sections, apparatus and experiment. Under apparatus, you will learn about the different tools used in physics practicals and how to use them. Let's take the Vernier caliper, for example. You'll find clear, concise notes explaining how it works. After that, you can interact with a virtual version, just like the real instrument. And when you're confident, you can test yourself with a quiz to check your accuracy. The same applies to other apparatus like the micrometer screw gauge, spring balance, measuring cylinder, ammeter, thermometer, prisms, and many more. Now let's explore the experiment section. This is where it gets even more interesting. Here, you can simulate real experiments, take readings, and even plot graphs, just like you would in a physical lab. You can adjust the experiment settings, review the setup, and study the theory behind it before you begin. When you're ready, simply click Start Simulation. For example, if the number of oscillations is set to 10, you can run the experiment, record your time, input your readings, and generate your graph. Afterward, you can test your understanding with theory questions and exercises. And this is just a glimpse of what you can do with the app. Download Mavinhub Physics Lab today for free and start exploring a smarter way to master your practicals.